What if Earth collided with a parallel Earth? Introduction: The impossible question. What if one night you looked up at the sky and saw another Earth? Not the Moon, not Mars, not even a distant star, but a planet. Blue and white, oceans and clouds shimmering under the sunlight. A planet that looked exactly like our own. At first, it would be dismissed as a trick of light, a cosmic illusion. But soon telescopes confirm the truth: another Earth, the same size, the same mass, slowly drifting closer. At first, it would be seen as the greatest scientific discovery of all time. Proof of the multiverse. Proof that somewhere out there, another Earth exists. But as the weeks pass, the excitement turns to fear, because this second Earth is on a collision course. Part 1: The science of parallel Earths. The concept of parallel Earths is not new. Quantum mechanics suggests the possibility of multiple realities, coexisting, each branching from tiny differences in decision and chance. Some theories of cosmology propose an infinite multiverse, where versions of Earth exist in endless variety. Some Earths may have dinosaurs still roaming. Others may be covered entirely in ocean. Some might never have developed life at all. But the Earth we see in our sky is not a distant dream. It is real, and it is here. As the second Earth grows larger, astronomers attempt to calculate its orbit, but the numbers are terrifying. Its trajectory will not miss us. There is no safe passage. It is heading directly toward our planet. Gravity itself begins to shift. Satellites wobble in orbit. The Moon's path becomes unstable. The tides rise higher than ever before. It is no longer a question of if, but when. Part 2: Signs of the approaching doom. Within weeks, the changes are impossible to ignore. The second Earth looms larger than the Moon, visible even during the day. Children point at it with wonder. Adults stare at it with dread. The gravitational pull between the two worlds wreaks havoc. Mega tsunamis devastate coastlines. Earthquakes ripple across continents. Volcanoes awaken, spewing ash into the skies. Storms rage without end, fueled by unstable air currents. Animals sense disaster, fleeing in chaotic migrations. Technology begins to fail as satellites are torn from orbit. Governments declare martial law. Nations panic. Some groups claim the end times have arrived. Others celebrate, seeing the parallel Earth as divine judgment or salvation. But no one can deny the truth. The two Earths are locked in a dance of destruction. Part 3: Humanity's desperate preparations. Faced with extinction, humanity attempts the impossible. Some nations try to build vast underground bunkers, hoping to ride out the impact beneath the surface. Others pour resources into space programs, desperate to launch a chosen few into orbit before the collision. Wealthy elites construct private sanctuaries deep under mountains or beneath the oceans. Artificial intelligence is tasked with designing survival strategies. Could energy shields be built? Could engines shift Earth's orbit? The calculations all lead to the same answer: there is no escape. Religions experience revival. Mass pilgrimages begin. Some people surrender to fate, others riot in the streets. For the first time in history, every human being shares the same destiny. Part 4: The collision. And then the day arrives. The second Earth fills half the sky. Its mountains, oceans, and clouds are visible with the naked eye. People watch as lightning storms rage between the two atmospheres, colliding in sheets of fire. Gravity distorts everything. Buildings topple, seas rise into walls of water. The crust of the Earth cracks. And then impact. The shockwave obliterates everything. Cities vanish in firestorms. Oceans vaporize into steam. Mountains crumble into dust. The collision is not simply destruction, it is annihilation. The energy released is greater than billions of nuclear weapons. In an instant, both Earths are shattered. It is the end of life as we know it. Part 5: The impossible survival. But let us imagine the impossible. What if not everything was destroyed? What if fragments of both Earths fused into one broken, twisted world? On this new planet, survivors crawl from bunkers and shelters. They find not only ruins of their own cities, but alien ruined cities from the parallel Earth, and perhaps survivors from the other side. Humans who lived parallel lives, now forced to meet their doubles. What would it mean to meet yourself, not a twin, but a parallel version of who you could have been? Would you see them as family? As rival? As enemy? Society would be thrown into chaos. Resources would be scarce. Civilizations would clash. Wars might erupt between the two Earth's survivors, each claiming the right to exist. But there is also hope. Two Earths might bring two sciences, two cultures, two sets of knowledge. Perhaps humanity could rebuild, stronger than before. Perhaps a new world could rise from the ashes of two. Part 6: The philosophy of collision. At its core, the collision of two Earths raises a question deeper than science or survival. If we are not unique, if there are other Earths, other versions of us, what does it mean to be human? If another you exists, did your choices ever matter? If two worlds collide, do two histories merge or are both erased? Philosophers would argue endlessly. Religions would claim prophecy fulfilled. Scientists would mourn the end of certainty. And yet, in the face of destruction, humanity might learn its greatest lesson: that life is fragile, that civilization is temporary, that we are not guaranteed a future. The universe does not care if we survive, but we do, and that is what makes us human. Conclusion. So, what if Earth collided with a parallel Earth? The sky would burn, the oceans would boil, civilization would end in fire and stone, but in the ruins, in the ashes, there might still be survivors, and they would face the ultimate question: do we destroy each other again, or do we build something new, something greater, together? Black holes, parallel worlds, infinite universes, all these are questions of physics, but survival, cooperation, and hope, those are questions of humanity. If you enjoyed this AI-powered journey into the impossible, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simulations of science, history, and alternate realities. Thank you for watching.